Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete account on Grammarly. So let's just get started guys. So what you need to do is firstly you need to be in this particular site, which is your grammarly.com website, or even you can use let's say Grammarly app. So once you are over here, what you need to do is just go to your left hand side where you'll be having these many options, even the support and sign out option. So out of all this, just go with this account option, and then once you are over here account option, then you'll be having options very much like subscription, writing, settings, try Grammarly free, business. So out of all this, what you need to do is you need to go over profile, and then having these many options. You can even have options like updating a name, an email, password, linking in Google, or let's say anything else. So out of all this, you need to, let's say, learn how to delete your account. So what you need to do is just go to this option all the way down, which says delete account. This account will no longer be available and all your saved data will be permanently deleted. So note guys, once you delete your account, there will not be any data saved. Your account will permanently get deleted. It's not like temporary deletion or anything. So what you do is just go to this delete account option, and over here what you need to do is you need to provide your password. So once again guys, note that your account will lose everything, every single document you have saved, and dictionary preferences as well. And see guys, it won't be possible to recover them. So provide your provide your password. If you want to keep account, go with the keep account. If you want to delete account, just go with the delete account. Once you press delete account after providing a password, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below guys, we'll be there for you. I hope so. Once again, I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.